Hi, welcome to my channel. I want to show you how I make my scrambled eggs. It's not a recipe, but it's a method, my way of making scrambled eggs, and I hope you follow along with my videos. And y'all, we're going to take a dozen eggs. Gonna stir them real good. You want to make sure you get them real stirred in. You want to take a whisk, that way you can whisk in really good. Okay, you want to put a little bit of like half of butter, not quite a bit of half, but you want to put quite a bit of butter in there, and then pour in your egg batter. You don't want to salt it until the very end because it won't come out as fluffy as it could be. Okay, what I like to do when I'm cooking it, I like to use like a silicone whisk. Make sure it's heat resistant. Turn your fire on to medium, and you just want to whisk this. I also like to switch off from that to this. This works real good. Now, it's always better when you're using your whisk to make sure it's silicone and heat resistant, because you don't want to use a metal one. It will scrape up your little medium saucepan, and it'll scratch it, and it'll make it hard when you're going to cook other things. It'll make your pan stick and stuff, because you don't want to scrape up your pans. Okay, now I take this little whisk and stir this together. Okay, I got a little bit of egg or cheese in this, and kind of let it melt through. Okay, we'll come back. Got a little bit of crumbs on my way. Okay, we're gonna try this eggs out. We just now got done with it. Very delicious. Not too dry, but not too raw either. It's real good. Very good. I want to thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss a notification. And I will see you next time.